Model, 2012 VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI 115 bhp van Euro 5. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 120,959. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, gearbox not going into 6th, will need repairing or replacing. Still drives fine and will get you where if you need to go grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys.